Hi everyone. I recently got a question in my public Facebook group about whether SEO on Etsy is the same as Google and is the same as Pinterest, because this person was doing some Pinterest pins or something like that. And the answer is no. But, if you know that people are searching for something on Etsy and it's a keyword that you see a lot, they're probably searching for that on Google also. Pinterest maybe not, because it depends on the searcher's intent, right? So when people search for things, there's a search intent, like what do you want to get out of it? If I go to Google and I search for silver jewelry birthday gift, they know I'm looking to buy something. So that's a buying intent search. If I'm looking for how to make a silver necklace, then that's not a buying intent. That's how to make something. So they're going to give me different search results. So, it depends on what they're searching on Etsy and Google. Probably those keywords are sort of interchangeable. It might not be exact, but there's a lot more similarity between that and Pinterest. Now, if you have watched my other YouTube channel, I've got a lot about Etsy SEO on there. And if you have a website, you might want to join my SEO membership, which I'll link in the description. But Google SEO, for me, and that's what the membership it really focuses on, it's a lot more logical than Etsy. For Google, I can get to the top of Google pretty easily, and it takes time. It's not like it's a minute and you're at the top, but I know that over time I can get to the top of Google by doing certain things. And Google changes a lot, yeah, but as long as you're not trying to trick the algorithm and you're just giving it the information that it needs to make a decision about your page being a good page and trustworthy and that kind of stuff, it's not that hard to get to the top of Google over time. And there are different ways that you can get on Google search. It's not just the inline search results. There's photos, there's videos, there's all kinds of stuff. And we do go over that in the membership, like I said. But Etsy is a little crazier because Etsy is using a purely search intent algorithm. Like they know if you're on Etsy, you're searching to buy something. Google says you could be looking for anything. We don't know. Etsy knows that people are trying to buy something. So what Etsy does is it tries to show people things they might like to buy. It's not necessarily matching to the keywords. Google is a little more straightforward and logical, like I said. So I love Google SEO so much. I love Google search. But it's not that tricky. Etsy's getting a little trickier. I think we know that. But if you're looking for keywords to use between Pinterest, Google, and Etsy, like if you have a website, you have Pinterest, and you have Etsy, you might be able to get away with using the same things, but you have to understand that each platform has different search intent. So go at it that way and think, what is the person on Pinterest looking for? They're probably looking for ideas and inspiration and that kind of thing. On Etsy, they're looking to buy something. On Google, they could be looking for anything. So you have to think about it that way and then kind of tailor the types of keywords that you use in each place to that intent in order to get the customer to see your things that you're posting there. So I know this is complicated. There's a lot that goes into it. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.